Your world is fast-paced and demanding, which means your devices need to deliver. Damaging bumps, drops, lack of connectivity, downtime? You can't afford that. To keep up with increasing demands, you need tablets that will power your teams for years to come, while delivering all the advanced connectivity and data-fueled workflows they need to stay in the loop. It means screens large enough to see minute details and durable enough to withstand all conditions. So why settle for more fragile consumer devices when you can access a fully loaded, enterprise-grade device with built-in scanning that doesn't break your budget? With Zebra's new ET4x Android tablets, your teams are fully equipped to handle it all, and you're always backed by Zebra's leading software, service, and support. Rugged, thin, and light, it goes everywhere your teams go, and offers point-of-sale options to keep things moving. And with a longer life cycle, it promises to continually be a wise investment for your future. So solve your enterprise decisions the right way. Whether it's line busting, merchandising, checking in guests, or responding to service calls, the all-new ET4x tablets cover it, and much more. Empower your teams with devices that can stand with them and withstand their environment. The ET40, ET45, the right-priced, rugged tablets that have it all.